So I build a lot of gaming PCs on my channel with all different price ranges. But this PC I'm excited for because it's my first AM5 build on my channel, and this features a nice bundle deal I got on Newegg, and it looks amazing. To start us off, we have the Ryzen 5 7600X. This 6-core 12-thread Zen 4 processor is perfect to start on the AM5 platform. There is a different alternative like the Ryzen 5 7500F on AliExpress, but I picked this one specifically because of the bundle deal I got. The speeds are really good and it competes with Intel's best CPUs even, like the i5 14400 and the i9 12900K. But the best part about the CPU is the AM5 platform and the upgrade path you have. AM5 will most likely be supported for like 5 more years, since AM4 is still receiving new CPUs. So overall, a great starting point for AM5. Along with that is the motherboard, which is the Gigabyte B650M Gaming Plus Wi-Fi edition. Coming in normally at $140, this motherboard is still pretty good. It provides most aspects you need for budget AM5 gaming, such as it looks aesthetic, it comes with Wi-Fi, NVMe Gen 4, all the basic stuff that just any person would look for. Like I mentioned earlier, this was bought with a bundle, so that is why I got these specifically, but I still recommend them. You can find really good open box motherboard deals on Newegg and get a B650 for around $100, maybe less. They do sell some on AliExpress as well, but I'd recommend checking Newegg first, especially with Black Friday around the corner. SSD that I got for free, technically, with the bundle is the Kingston NV3 1TB NVMe. It's a Gen 4 drive with great speeds up to 6,000 megabytes per second, which is a great fit for this bundle, and I would recommend scooping this up or any 1TB Gen 4 NVMe you can find, AliExpress, Amazon, Newegg, whatever's cheapest and best for you. Now, also on the motherboard, this PC features 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM at 6,000 megahertz, but I wouldn't actually recommend this. I got the King Bank 16x2 DDR5 kit from AliExpress. Did originally buy this kit months ago when DDR5 was over $100 normally, but nowadays it's very easy, and I'm sure I can find a kit right now for $80 that's even better looking than this. The reason why I wouldn't recommend this one, it doesn't have the best CL timing, and you can't really find them any good DDR5 deals on AliExpress right now, so you're not really going to save much money waiting on that. I would just go for whatever cheapest. Usually Newegg is a great option for that. Now that we're done with the motherboard, let's prep for the rest of the build. So we're gonna have to keep that Ryzen 5 7600X cool with the Thermalrate Aqua Elite V3 240mm AIO. No, you don't need liquid cooling. All you need is an $18 cooler from Amazon, but this one looks pretty good, and I can't really turn down AIO for $45. Even though it's budget, Thermalrate has proven time and time again that they are a very reliable and affordable company that sells great CPU coolers. Now, powering this rig is the MSI A650BN, a 650 watt 80 plus bronze power supply. This is a nice TRC unit, so it's perfect for this build. It provides just enough wattage. You can go for more, but the RTX 3060 Ti actually only requires a minimum of 550 watts. So 650 watts, perfect enough. Now, one of the most important parts of the build is the RTX 3060 Ti. This is the cheapest 1440p card you can buy from NVIDIA. And truthfully, I would have used the RTX 3070 in this build, but I've used it so many times and I actually don't have one in hand anymore. So the 3060 Ti is still a good budget option. It still provides you that upgrade path with the CPU. You can even pair the CPU without much bottleneck, but again, you can also upgrade the CPU in the future. So there's just unlimited upgradability with this PC overall. Now, you've been staring at it the whole time. The case of choice is the Sama 2771M. This is one of their newer releases on Newegg specifically. I think it looks pretty great, so I decided to check it out. I haven't seen many reviews on this yet, so I thought this channel would be perfect for that, considering it's also a height Y60 lookalike, and that's a very popular case nowadays. It comes with 3 ARGB fans and a fan hub in the back, along with an LED button on the case, making it super easy to control the RGB. It's super compatible except for the ATX motherboards, and I recommend it, especially for $70. Now, if you've been watching the channel, I list these PCs up for sale on Java and Facebook Marketplace for profit, and I'll update you guys in a future video. If you want, or maybe a YouTube short, subscribe.